Did you know that you can permanently delete your Viber account in just a few steps? Whether you're switching to another platform or simply no longer using this app, deactivating your account is a straightforward process. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it quickly and hassle-free. Here's how. First, locate your Viber app and open it. Once you're on the Viber home screen, you'll see 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Tap on them to open the menu options. Next, in the menu, find and select the Settings option. When you're on the Viber settings page, look for the Account option and tap it to access your account settings. Under the Account section, you'll see several options. Find the Deactivate Account option and tap it to proceed. Now, all you need to do is enter your phone number. Tap on the phone number field and type in your number. Once you've done that, tap on Deactivate Account. In the pop-up window that appears, tap Deactivate to confirm the deletion. Through completing this step, your account will be permanently deactivated, and all data associated with it, including messages, contacts, and call history, will be irretrievably deleted. Make sure to back up any important information beforehand, as it won't be recoverable after this process. And that's all there is to this quick video on how to delete a Viber account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and of course consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.